Welcome, welcome. It's time for another preview. So, whether this is your first or you've done this before, I'm here to make sure that it goes smoothly for you. So, follow along as I walk you through the preview tool process. Okay, ageLOC Meta preview tool. Let's get into this. So, let's start off with when this is happening. Sharing begins on Monday, July 11th at 10 a.m. Mountain Time, and that's going to last throughout the purchasing window. Purchasing is going to be available starting July 13th at 10 a.m. Mountain Time. It will end on July 20th at 11:59 p.m. Mountain Time. So the preview kit is going to be a 3-pack. The US pricing for that is $371 retail with $297 for member pricing. The sharing bonus is $14.50. And then you can see the volumes here. For Canada, it's going to be $464 retail and $371 for member pricing with a sharing bonus of $18. Okay, this is where it's going to be review if you've already done the preview tool before. First, you're going to just log in to nuskin.com. This can be done on a mobile device or on a desktop. After you've logged in, there will be a notification box saying your exclusive product preview is available and prompt you to go to your product preview page. If you dismiss this and want to find the product preview page later, there should be a persistent notification banner across the top of nuskin.com. Once you're on the My Product Preview page, you should see the ageLOC Meta 3-pack with the quantities that you have assigned to your account. To start sharing your product allocations, you'll click Manage My Product Access, and then click Share Access. From here, you can search by name or ID. Select the person that you want to share allocations with. Then you'll select the quantity that you would like to share and click Share. Who you can share with. US accounts will be able to share with US accounts that ship to a US address. Canada accounts can share with other Canada accounts and must ship with a Canadian address. If you search by name, it will only work 6 generations deep, and you can search by any ID, even if they're not in your downline. If you have someone new, it can take up to 24 hours for new accounts to appear in the search. Who you cannot share with. Any ID outside of the US or Canada will not qualify for this preview. Any account that has chosen not to share their contact information with their sponsor, and you cannot reshare an allocation shared with you by another ID. If you do have someone that has chosen not to share their contact information with their sponsor by mistake, they can go into the privacy settings in VNG if they're a brand affiliate, or in the profile section of nuskin.com for customers and members and change this. If you've shared one of your allocations with someone and want to reclaim it, first, from the Manage Your Product Allocation page that we saw previously, you'll click Review Shared Access. Also, it's worth noting, if someone has already used the allocation and purchased, you will not be able to reclaim it. From here, you'll select Reclaim on the account you want to reclaim from. Choose the quantity to reclaim, and a banner notification will appear after you've reclaimed it. If you're someone that has received an allocation and you would like to return it because you are not going to purchase, you can go to this Manage Your Product Allocation page, even if you're a customer or a member, and click Return Product Allocation. From here, you'll choose the quantity to return, select Return Selected, and if you have any remaining, you'll be able to see the remaining product access. How to purchase. Once the purchasing window starts, you will have the button switch to an Add to Cart button. You'll click Add to Cart and complete the normal purchasing process. In review, a few things to keep in mind. This preview is only available on newskin.com and will not be available on my site or product offer. It's also not available on subscriptions. You can share with US or Canada IDs, but they must purchase and ship to their respective markets. You can search by name, only 6 generations, and you can search by any ID. You cannot share with anyone outside of the US or Canada. Any account that has chosen not to share their contact information with their sponsor will not show up, but they can go into privacy settings or the profile section on newskin.com and change this. Also, you cannot reshare any allocation that's shared with you by another ID. And lastly, new accounts can take up to 24 hours to appear in the search. Well, that's a wrap on the preview tool walkthrough. Hopefully this was helpful, and I will catch you next time.